No, it's not clickbait. I did show on the thumbnail for this video that you can make £100 in an hour playing casino games without even needing any free spins. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Chris and I've got a match betting Facebook group you can join, a Telegram group you can join where I share you exactly what bets I'm placing. I do daily uploads here on the channel at 6 PM every day, and I also do a live stream at 7 PM for 1 hour, 5 nights a week. Wow, that's a lot of value. So right now you've probably clicked on this video and you're thinking, okay, he's just made a thumbnail saying £100 in an hour, it's clickbait, obviously that's not possible, you need free spins in match betting to make profit from casino offers. Well, yes, that is true 99% of the time, but I've figured out a strategy that you can actually put into place, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it on the laptop in a second, where you'll be able to sign up to casino websites and actually play games and then get paid to play them, but with no free spins. So no bonus money needed, no free spins. Normally here on the channel, I would be telling you that playing casino games without any free spins or bonus money attached is just a massive recipe for disaster. And that's because, as I showed in this video, casino games are mathematically stacked against you. So no matter what, it doesn't matter how lucky you think you are, no matter what, you will lose money in the long run by playing these casino games. Because at the end of the day, they have been set up so that they take your money slowly and that the bookies and the casinos always win. That's why they're in business. However, with this strategy, the way it works is you click on a casino to sign up through a website which is going to get paid for recommending you to that casino site. And in return, because you've clicked on that casino site through their link, they're going to pay you money for doing so. So they're getting paid for recommending you to the casino site and playing the games and signing up. And then they're going to pay you as like a thank you for doing so. Now, I've left the link to that website that you can do that on down in the description. And of course, I earn a commission when you click on that link and you do this strategy. So it is like a cycle of sort of, I've recommended you to them and then I get a commission. Then that website that's recommending you to the casino site, they get a commission. And then at the end of it, what you get to do is play a game, well, set up a few accounts, which I'm going to show you on the laptop exactly which ones you need to set up, how their offers work. But you're then going to set up these accounts, play the games, and earn yourself £100 plus. I've said £100 on the low side because you can actually earn more than that. But you might already, if you're already match betting, you might have the other accounts set up already. The other ones are with more, bigger bookmakers like Coral and Paddy Power and stuff. So the £100 in an hour is with casino sites that you probably haven't set up yet. I know this strategy works because I've already set up all these casino sites myself. I've played the games myself and I've taken the profit for myself. As usual, I like to talk about things on this channel that I've done myself so I can show you that it works and I've made money doing it. Firstly, if you're not aware how casino wagering works and how you can play casino games to make money from them, then really do go check out that video I mentioned before first so you can learn like the basics of how the wagering works and how that it is risk-free over the long run. Because if you're going to try and watch this video and you're not too sure on how casino wagering works in match betting, then you're just going to look at it as like a risky thing. But it's honestly, it's really not. It's, it's profit. It's what's called expected value. So please go check that video out first and check where you're at on this video now, and then come back to this video when you fully understand it. Okay, so over on the laptop now, we're on the OddsMonkey dashboard, which, by the way, as usual, if you haven't got OddsMonkey yet and you're wanting to do this strategy, then I highly, highly recommend OddsMonkey, and I've left my link in the description for their free trial, of course. But yeah, without this, you won't be able to do match betting properly. Everyone that does match betting will tell you the same exact thing. I'm not just saying it myself. But what you need on the OddsMonkey dashboard here, so you go up to Tools, then go down to Calculators, and then across to EV Calculator, and click that, which is expected value or estimated value as they call it on OddsMonkey. Now the way this calculator works is you put the numbers in and then it tells you what the expected value is. So it's very straightforward. And what I will do firstly is show you the first offer, which you'll be able to do, and show you the expected value of it, so you can see that you will get that around £100 for setting up these 4 accounts. So the first offer then is going to be you have to deposit £30 into the casino site, which, as I say, to check all these out, the link's in the description. But so what we want is we want to set the estimated value calculator to a bonus money offer, because this isn't for free spins, this is for actual money. Then what you need to do is deposit £30. So we'll put £30 into the stake there for the initial wagering. Now, normally here it says slots a 95% return to player percentage, but the game that you're normally going to play is called Starburst, which has a 96.1, so put 96.1% in there. And as you can see there, the expected value, if you were to just wager £30 on Starburst, then after you'd finished your wagering, your expected return would be you'd lose £1.17. Now, we're match betting here. We don't want any losses. This is the Profit Boss channel. We want profit, don't we? So we go to the bonus value. So they're actually going to pay you. This site's going to pay you just for signing up and wagering £30, and that's not to unlock any. The casino isn't going to give you any bonus money or anything, but the site that you've signed up to the casino will give you money back. So £26.25 they're going to pay you for signing up to it. Now, because it's cash that they're paying you, there's no wagering on that. You just put 0, as it says there. If the reward is cash, use 0 here. So we put 0 there. So for opening that casino account by going through their link and just depositing £30, wagering it on a game, which will take you all of 15 minutes, the expected value for that is £25.08. So if you want to write that down, that's your first profit there. Okay, then the next offer that there is that I've found on the website is it's actually deposit and wager 25. So I'll put 25 in there. Again, we'll be using Starburst, so 96.1. But this time, they're actually going to give you £32 for doing that, for depositing 25 and wagering it. And then the expected value for doing that is £31.02. So again, write that down or just take a mental note of how much money you've made so far. The third one is going to be wager £30. So we'll put 30 in again. And then the cash that you're going to get is 21. So their expected value, £19.83. Again, make another mental note of that one. And then the fourth one I found is another wager £30 to get 21 back. So of course, exactly the same as the last one, £19.83. And that's going to put us to around £100 just for opening those 4 accounts. And as I said, there are more on there, but you probably, if you've been doing match betting a while, you've probably already opened those. But if not, that's great, because what it's going to mean is you're going to be able to make more like £200 if you've not actually opened any casino sites whatsoever yet. So of course, if you found this strategy helpful to make you more money in match betting, as that's what this channel is for, me helping anyone I can to make profit through match betting, then yeah, please drop a like on the video. And of course, if you want to get involved in any of the groups that I mentioned at the start of the video, links for those are in the description. Thank you very much for watching then, and I'll see you in the next one.